Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about this genius named Liang Wenfeng. He's a Chinese citizen. He built this AI tool named DeepSeek AI. Now, what is DeepSeek exactly is? DeepSeek is basically an LLM, which is a large language model, just like OpenAI. Now, we need to understand what is a large language model is first of all, right? Large language model is something that is being trained on a large amount of data from around the globe, and then you can ask it whatever you want to, and it will give you answer based off its own database that is being trained on, right? So the question is why DeepSeek is getting so much hype on the internet. First, it's a Chinese model, right? Second, DeepSeek was built with an amount of only $6 million funding, right? Whereas if you look at ChatGPT, OpenAI LLM, or Meta Llama model, right? They are built using hundreds of millions of dollars. And just because of that, American stock market lost over $600 billion out of its market share, right? Now, I'm going to take you to my screen and show you how the system really looks like inside DeepSeek. How can you install this into your computer? Because it is open source. That means you can install it in your local computer, use it with or without Wi-Fi anytime you want to. So that is one of the advantage DeepSeek has over ChatGPT OpenAI, where you have to pay for the upgraded plan, right?
Okay, guys, so what you have to do is come here on this website, lmstudio.ai, right? And here you are going to download this LM Studio in your computer. Now, you are able to use these LLMs. You can see Llama, Mistral, PHI, Gamma, DeepSeek, Quen 23, 2.5. So all of these that you can use, but you have to first of all download based on your Windows. If you have Windows, or if you have Mac, you can download based on whatever you have. I have Windows, so I have downloaded it already up here. You can see. So as soon as you download LM Studio, come here in the search box, right? In here, come here in the search box, and here you will be able to find all the models that are available. What you can do is you can actually download that from here. Download it. It's like 4.68 GBs, and once you download it, you will be able to use it with or without Wi-Fi inside your local computer. Like I have this DeepSeek Urban Distill already downloaded, so I will click here, use in new chat, and I can search for um, write a simple JavaScript function. All right. Based on your computer storage, this can be a little slow or fast. So right now, like I have searched for this, there's an assistant actually loading right now, and it actually does a complete thinking for you before it executes anything. So it's I'm gonna show you in a bit. Now you can see it says thoughts. It is thinking about this thing. It could be a bit slow and based on your internet as well as your computer storage, but you can use it with or without Wi-Fi. Like if I come here and disable my Wi-Fi, see, it is still actually loading and thinking. See, it is still working out without my Wi-Fi being connected, right? So you can use it anytime you want to for free. As soon as it completes the thinking process, it's going to give you answer to your prompt, which is write a simple JavaScript function, right? And then you can edit it to and so many more things. And you can also go back here and search for more models like 2.5